Welcome back to my channel, Audrey's Jar. Today I'm going to be making these super cute trucker hats. All you're gonna need is a trucker hat, and then I just got a ton of patches from Hobby Lobby. Just look at these, they're so cute. I'm sure you can get a huge pack from Amazon too. I know they have a lot of cute ones. Okay, don't you just love these gummy bears? Like, they're the cutest thing I've ever seen. Before I fully commit to ironing on the patches, I'm just going to lay them out and kind of see where I want them to be, make a design. I just set this jar inside of the hat to kind of fill it a bit so it's easier to put on the patches. And then I also just pinned the patches to the front of the hat. This way they'll stay in place when I'm ironing them. I'm just doing one at a time, and once you have it in place, I laid a piece of fabric on top of it just to kind of protect it a little bit. But make sure you have your iron on the right setting. It'll say usually on the back of the patch what it's made out of, but just make sure it's not too hot. But you also want it to stick. So yeah, find out the right temperature for you. And once you get the first one on there, you can start placing the other ones. These ones were super nice because they were like an iron-on, but they had like a sticker too, so you can just place them and know exactly where they want to go without having to pin it. Now just iron those ones on too. And there wasn't a specific amount of time that I set the iron on there. I just kind of kept lifting up the fabric and checking to see if it was really stuck on, and that's when I know it's done. I thought this gold star added the perfect touch and kind of tied in the cowgirl hat. And this one's pretty small. I wasn't too worried about it getting burned or anything, so I didn't put a piece of fabric over it. Okay, and just like that, you are done. I love this craft because it is so quick and you can customize it to whatever you want it to be. It's a great craft to do with friends. You can just order like a ton of patches and you can all make your own. My sister made this red one and I just think they are so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.